Hello everyone, this is a demo of the dynamic UI bot I built using Automation Anywhere, where the bot would read the data from Excel data source, then navigate to a web system and then fill the form on the web application and submit the data. So let's run this solution and see how it works. And the UI for the web form will keep changing after inserting each record. So just started deploying the solution to my computer. It would come up in a second. We can see that Automation Anywhere has kicked off the bot, where first thing it will do is read the data from the Excel source. So it open the Excel file and it will open the web application. So we can see that it's launching the website. It opens the Google Chrome, and we'll wait until the page load properly. So for that purpose, I put in a condition in there to say wait until the website loads completely before it moves on to the next step. So it will wait for a little bit to see that the page has loaded completely and validate that it is in the position to start the filling out the form. Now it will click on the start button and then start filling out the actual form. As you can see, the UI keeps changing with each submit, but bot is able to identify where each fields are and fill the data accordingly. It's able to complete their task. And anyways, you can see that it has successfully finished filling up the form. So that's it for the demo.